okay. So we just give back the ID. I mean, get back the ID and then go to something else. Okay, cool.
12,042. And I'm sorry, but it's ugly.
You think?
Yeah.
I think it's actually very stylish, but
I like the style, but not the color. Like, yes.
Okie dokie. Alright guys, we're back in the city and we're going to see the... What's that we're seeing?
Piazza de Pololo. No, de Popolo.
Do you know what it is about? Do you know what it is?
No.
No clue. Okay, cool. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go find out. Have a look. What's there? Museo. Is that like a museum?
Oh, Leonardo da Vinci.
Wow, it looks really big.
Oh, yeah. Guess what? Other fountains.
Another fountain.
Yeah.
We're not surprised, are we? We've seen bare fountains in Rome. It's like literally everywhere.
Oh, another one here too.
Yeah, just up there.
Another one.
Another one.
Is it Caesar?
I think it is. You just want to get closer?
Yeah. He's everywhere.
Yeah.
This I like. It looks like tropical kind of.
Yeah, that vibe. Yeah, it's all
part.
green. Yeah. I think it might be like an extension of the park we came through, maybe.
Yeah. Oh yes, and that should be a spot to see the sunset. Look at the people there. And
oh right. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, right there. Oh yeah, true. Oh wow, yeah, that's true. That's a perfect spot, but how do we get there?
yeah,
And it's still a long while from now anyway to get the sunset.
I think when you go there, you
But yeah, they've got like so many of these sculptures just littered all around the city. And the fountains as well.
of course.
So would that be Caesar then? Or yeah. It seems like he has some touch, but the touch is broken or something. Like wow. You can just see everyone here. I think they are mostly tourists. Such here. Yeah, such a big city, Rome. You can literally feel the energy of the city. Yeah. And the transport system is actually very nice. You know, you've got like buses to take you around the city. You have tram in some areas as well. And some other areas you've got cars, I mean like, well, cabs and taxis and stuff. So, and a lot of the places you can actually walk around. So if you're like a tourist and stuff and you just want to see the city, if you're lodged anywhere around the city, you can literally just walk around and see all this. I mean, from the Colosseum to, you know, everything literally is just scattered all around the city center. So it's easy to see everything really. You know, all the ruins, everything, the museums, you know. Yeah, it's amazing. Right guys, so my tour guide he's like, you're my tour guide, aren't you?
No.
Okay, so Samia is going to take us to have tiramisu somewhere. I think it's about 7 minutes away.
7 minutes away.
Yeah, so what's tiramisu made of? What is this?
It's like, how to explain? It's like a dessert with like some, you know, mascarpone? Cheese?
Hey, oh yeah.
You know,
okay.
mascarpone.
Yeah.
So it's a cheese, but like cream.
Okay.
So you have this, I don't know if you say cookies. So this cream and some coffee in it.
Okay.
So it tastes like coffee a bit, and they are I think there are some alcohol in it, but I don't know which one. But it's very light.
Right.
With
Okay.
the coffee.
Ah. Okay. Cool. Cool.
So it's sweet, but not that sweet because you have the coffee touch and
Yeah.
a bit of alcohol.
Alcohol.
Thing.
Okay, cool.
Liquor, this.
Cool. So we're gonna go try that and see what it is.
Yes.
If it's not good, what do we do? It must be
will
good. Yeah. Okay.
Like,
Let's go.
Tiramisu is good all
Yeah.
the time, most of the time, and this place is known, so it's supposed to be good.
Okay. Cool. I'm excited. Let's go.
Yes.
Look, your favorite stuff, Christmas lights.
Yeah. Shining just like this.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. But yeah, you see the vibe of the city is like, you can see like loads of people walking around, but it's still very quiet, very, you know, laid back.
This I like.
Yeah? Let's see.
No, of course. No, you
Okay.
don't?
Yeah, it's nice. Better than tiramisu or no? Better than tiramisu or no?
But I cannot choose between clothes and sweet. No,
Okay, cool.
it's too hard.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're shopping.
This shiny one.
Oh yeah. Look.
The shiny one was like 5,000.
No, you're joking.
No,
Casablanca. How much is that one out there?
12,000. You say that?
That yeah. Wow.
12,000, 42 euros. And I'm sorry, but it's ugly.
You think?
Yeah.
I think it's actually very stylish, but
I like the style, but not the color.
okay,
You know
I
what
get
I
you.
mean?
Yeah, I
Like-
get you.
Like
Okay.
blue with green, I don't know.
Nah, not for you. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go after tiramisu then.
Yeah. This is for me.
Pompeii.
Let's hope we don't have to wait.
Is it in there? Ah, okay, cool. Wow, it's a long queue, but that's alright.
Oh, you have the classic one.
You have the
We
what?
should the classic and some.
Ah,
We should have like we should
Yeah,
have
sure.
one classic and one no, so we can try both. No?
yeah, of course.
What
yeah.
do you want? I don't know.
Variety is fine, yeah, we'll try different ones.
Yeah. Yes. I will also with the classic one.
Oh, I'd like to try that one with strawberries.
So we have the classic one and the strawberry one.
Yep, yeah. Makes sense.
Classic salted caramel
This is gluten-free classic. Salted caramel and strawberry. Salted caramel classic.
Yeah, so we're gonna try tiramisu. Cheers.
Just 3 spoons. Thank you so much.
Pompeii. What is that? Oh, the thingy. Okay.
Yes. I like it. I'm an auntie.
You know what?
I'm an auntie, so I like all people.
An auntie, so you have to keep those things.
Yeah.
And they've got loads of ice creams as well, different flavors. My favorite ice cream is usually strawberry flavors.
Really?
Or
You
vanilla,
prefer
maybe.
like fruity?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Mostly fruity, yeah.
I'm more like chocolate, nuts, this
Okay.
kind of.
I don't like chocolate, to be honest. I feel like
Like
it's
ice
boring.
cream, no. But I will take, you know, like hazelnut, something like that. But you don't like chocolate?
No, not so much, no. I would have like chocolate flavored something.
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to be on the other side. Yeah.
Classic and strawberry.
Are you going to eat now?
Yeah.
Yes, please. What is
Big
that?
coffee.
The whole
Big coffee.
Casablanca, you don't want it.
Tiramisu? Which flavor tiramisu?
Strawberry.
Okay.
Classico.
Oh wow, okay. So how do we fix? We sit somewhere?
Yeah.
We might have to go back that way.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's a sitting area out there though.
Yeah, I think
Oh, on the stairs, there's like a step somewhere. Yeah, so we just go to the stairs.
but so
right.
many people here, like during lunchtime or this kind of time, they eat like on the streets, but like not like stand up. No,
Not standing, they have to
standing.
sit.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, like I don't know. I noticed that
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, lunchtime. Even in yeah,
You know what I mean?
I get
Like,
you.
Of course, like for example in France, you will not go to the restaurant for lunchtime or everything, but you will sit to
Eat.
Like
Okay.
they were eating pasta standing, and it's common here. But
Yeah, that's crazy though.
you have to sit to eat pasta.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh well, if you have to go back to
My-
work, if you have to go back to work, I don't think you have the leisure, no?
Yes, but if I'm standing, I will take like a sandwich or I don't know.
Oh, okay,
not,
okay.
You know, not
So
a regular plate with.
Ah, I get what you
You know
mean.
what
I
I
get
mean?
what you mean. Yeah. Okay. So in Rome, they like to literally just
Yeah,
stand and have their
standing,
pasta.
Yeah, just like for me, you're not really enjoying your meal if you're just like that.
But the truth is, obviously they have like pasta all the time, isn't it? So for them,
Yeah,
it doesn't. It feels like sandwich to them, I think.
Or maybe this is the reason. Like for them, it's normal.
Yeah,
Pasta, pizza.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna try to find somewhere to sit, like a horse, a chariot. You can see we've got chariots here. Tourists everywhere, really. And yeah, you know, if you notice that we've got like police everywhere, everywhere, literally, everywhere in Rome you'll find police, like literally everywhere. And also, they're always armed. They've got like guns and that. I think yesterday we saw like police with like heavy guns
And les militaires
and yeah, the military as well. Yeah.
also.
Oh wow, what is this?
Oh, that's nice.
I don't know if you can see, but just up there. Right, so where do we sit? Do you want to sit by the thing? By the fountain?
Another one.
You can sit by the fountain or we sit up there somewhere.
I think there because it's more from.
Yeah, okay. Guys, we're gonna try this tiramisu now. I can't wait, to be honest. Let's go around that way. Oh, look at your stuff.
You don't know that it's les marrons chauds.
Yeah, you said.
We can sit here.
Yeah, we can. There's no space there. We can sit here. Oops. S'il vous plaît. Okay, let's try.
My God.
Let's try this tiramisu. Oui? Oui, oui. Okay, cool. Let's try this now. Mine seems like a lot though.
It is like that.
Okay, cool. Let's try that tiramisu. Do you want to hold it please for me? Just 1 minute. Yeah, thank you. Oh wow, it's very creamy.
Yeah, but you are supposed to
Dip.
go to,
Right, to the bottom of
yeah.
it.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Let's give it a try.
Okay.
It's good. Really good.
But for me, like you did something like a crime
What was
because you
that?
start in the middle.
Okay, so
Yes,
there's a rule
can
to
just,
it.
No, not a rule, but just go like that.
Ah, right. Okay.
I don't know, but it's my way.
Ah, fair enough.
You're the Virgo one, but
Very disorganized. Ah, okay, cool. But yeah, I think it's really good.
strawberry is good.
It's creamy. Got some bits of like, it feels like cake underneath there, but
Yeah.
yeah. I
But
love-
it's more like a cake than tiramisu, so now you have to try this.
The chocolate one.
Classic
The
tiramisu.
classic one.
Don't
Ah,
say
okay.
it's chocolate.
Oh bless. So classic. No sin committed now, no?
Kind of, but it's okay.
So that one. No?
No, it's okay.
Yeah, I feel the coffee as well.
Yeah, this is the real one. I didn't taste it yet, but this is the real tiramisu.
Okay. It's really nice. I like it.
Oh, yeah.
So
This is real tiramisu.
yeah,
This I like.
really good.
You prefer which one?
I don't prefer the chocolate one. Well,
Really?
the classic one, yeah.
Classic one? Okay. But this feels like more like a cake.
Something
Strawberry
like that,
cake,
yeah. And
that's
then
why.
so much cream as well.
Yeah. But this one is
But
really
I love
good.
that one,
It's
yeah.
the classic one.
Okay, cool. Great. No, it's alright. I'll have that one. How is yours? How are you finding it?
Yes,
Good.
I really like it. It's a very good one.
Actually, that's what it looks like.
And you see, it's not that sweet.
It's good. I like it. But yeah, and it's not that sweet, yeah. But the classic one is the best.
It's the best. I will let you some.
It's okay.